Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, we are updating students for TCS MBA hiring on daily basis and we are answering their queries. In this video, I will answer the queries related to the comments that we have got in the last video that we uploaded yesterday. And in this video, we will be answering all those comments answers, and then if you have any more queries you can let us know in the comment section of this video. We'll make another video to answer them. Before we move on, there are some common uh, acknowledgements I want to give you because most of the students are worried about the readiness mail. So yes, readiness mail have come to many students. Those last day, yesterday it was not opening for many, but again TCS have sent the another mail. It has come from TCS Ion, and it has come to the promotion in the promotion. For most of them, it has come in the promotion folder. So, and at the same time, it is for the HR streams, the mails. Further, the readiness survey mail, it mentions the eligibility criteria that all the courses should be in HR. So, I think it was a glitch from TCS side. I have highlighted this to TCS team. So, the concerned team has received this communication that it has something like this has been sent out. So now the case is whether to fill it or not to fill it, and if you have filled, then what? So basically, there is no harm because it's just a survey mail. It is not going to affect you in any ways in your joining your, offer letter, anything, because survey mail is just for a survey, and it is just to take an idea that how many students are ready in terms of all the documents and the eligibility checks. So if you have filled it, then also no problem. If you have not filled it, then also no problem. If you want to make a decision between whether to fill or not to fill, you can fill it because it is fine. They cannot take you as an MBA HR if you are not HR eligible. But what I understand is, I think you should wait. It's a weekend, it's a Saturday, and then tomorrow is Sunday. So I think you should get the revised mail and the correct mail, I think, next week. One more thing you have to understand, that TCS MBA hiring is called CAT2 hiring, that TCS do for all these stream, and TCS HR hiring is called TCS pit stop hiring. So that is the basic difference. So all the HR roles are taken from the pit stop hiring, and all the eligibility courses that are written there in the survey form is eligible to pit stop. Okay. So I think it is better. I think that mail was meant for all the pit stop selected candidates because TCS have already done the pit stop hiring. It is limited. It is not open for all, and that is why you might not be aware about it. But yeah, many students from good colleges have got selected, and they will get the mail from the concerned TCS team, and it would be around whether about their joining. And in fact, their joining is also coming. 8th July is the date for the MBA pit stoppers for getting onboarded in TCS, because I know some of the candidates who got selected in pit stop hiring, and the all for all the rest of the students it is CAT2 hiring, and CAT2 hiring is recently completed, and readiness mail will be sent out just to check the readiness, and then it gives an idea to the TCS team that how many candidates are ready to be onboarded. And yes, I think it would be better that if you wait for 1 or 2 days, because now so many communications has been sent out to the TCS team seeking clarification that why it only has the MBA HR categories. So they will act on it soon, and I think then the next week, Monday or Tuesday, we might get the revised mail. But there is nothing wrong. Many students have filled it. That's completely okay. There is one more query that whether the CAT2 students who have also specialization in HR, because many students have are from the HR background and some have even major minor as HR. Can they fill it? Can they get a chance in TCS as an HR? Now it depends all on the requirements, because TCS is, in any company the HR is very limited, because that's not the core role that they do, because HRs are the part of the support function. So very rarely, like very small number of candidates are selected, like 150, 100, 150 candidates are selected from Pan India. When I was selected as an HR, we were just 59 from Pan India. Whereas this TCS CAT to MBA hiring is a techno-functional hiring. So it's completely the core work that TCS do. So these are into thousands. So it depends, if they have requirements. So they might take it and they might not take it, but chances are less. Okay, so yeah, I thought to mention it because I can see so many queries from the top are around this. So I hope you have got your answer. And the best, if you have filled it, then don't worry. No, it is not a problem. If you have not filled it, wait till Monday, Tuesday. I think now so many people have already highlighted this to the TCS team, including myself. So you shall get a revised mail with the correct eligibility criteria for you. Okay. All right. So we'll move on to the comment section and answer them one by one, starting with the first one. Okay, I'm not an HR student. I already answered. Okay, next. So I received TCS email twice yesterday. Once email normal, again follow up submitted. I submitted a follow up mail. I noticed and you can clarify. I have already clarified this. Okay, I got suddenly something for the yeah, so basically, you can only give tentative dates of your results. That is completely fine, and it is not like that TCS will only onboard you after your results. It all depends upon business requirement. I remember sometimes TCS have also onboarded people before their final exams. So it all depends on the business requirement, but they take the acknowledgement from you that after your result is out, and if something is here and there regarding eligibility, then you will not, continue with TCS. Okay, next. Hello, sir. The BGC form, my institute name is incorrect. I want to how am I filling motivation form mentioned correctly? I made this query to the LLB support. My question is, should I wait to get it correct or submit with the incorrect one? I doubt if you get a reply from them, because they get so many mails. So you can wait for a fair period of time, like 2 3 days. If it doesn't come, then go ahead. It's a common mistake that student does. Many times the names of the colleges are same, so that is also one of the reasons. So that's okay, as long as your mark sheets are genuine, it will not create a problem. But wait for fair 2 3 working days and then see if you get a reply. If not, then you can move ahead. Whenever the background check team will connect with you, they will seek a clarification. Next. Sir, in my link is not working. Yeah, the first link they sent was not working. That was a common problem. It's okay. Hello sir, I am MB Finance to respond to the readiness method submitted. That's okay, I already answered that. That's okay. Next, sir, can we use the rent agreement address for the present address proof? Yes, it is completely fine. So basically, the following list they have given. So address affidavit is a rent agreement only. Okay, so there cannot be affidavit simply like that you stay there. You, if you are staying at a rent, the landlord should also be included, and that is what a rent agreement. They have somewhere mentioned lease agreement, that is also referring to the rent agreement. Next. So I'm currently doing my BGC process. I wanted to ask, is there any official format for gap affidavit, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate? Check the description section of our this video. I have already uploaded it. You can download it from there. Or can the doctor be private practitioner? No, it should be an MBBS doctor. It is fine if they are private doctors as well. It's completely fine. Hello sir, I am not sure about my results of last time and when to declare. So I put August mid and detailed joined July 25. So will my journey letter be delayed? Depends on the requirement, depends how they are going about it. If they have huge requirements, they will allow. If not, then they will wait for your result and then they will allow. So all depend on the requirement. Next, so my Aadhaar card and other documents, I all have my old permanent address, which is still legally owned by my family but currently unoccupied. We have shifted to a new house which is registered in my sister-in-law's name. The gas bill of the new house is also in her name. So I don't have any official document with the new address in my name. I want to apply for the passport now. Can I make and submit an address affidavit for my present address and use it for the passport application? Will the affidavit be accepted as a valid proof? If even if no the documents are in my name at present address, or should I apply using my old permanent address which is still all my proof on my family? Or should I update my Aadhaar card address then apply? Okay, so basically, you have to understand that background check will happen when somebody will go there and they will check with, that you stay there or not. So if you keep your permanent address as the main address and somebody go there and they inquire you don't stay there, so it will not be, verified. So you have to definitely do something which shows where you stay, and then you can make a affidavit or you can make a rent agreement. That's okay, you are staying with the system, but yeah, you know you can make an affidavit if it is your family member and if you don't want to give it on rent, and then otherwise a rent agreement can also be made with the sister, and there is no rule like that family in the family you cannot leave on rent agreement without rent, so that's okay. But logically there should be some document for the present address and affidavit will work at least with TCS. Now coming about the passport, you have to go to the passport form details, because passport is a government identity and they will not consider anything like that. They have strict rule because passport is an important document, so you have to check about the passport part because that's a different entity. But for the TCS, I think the address affidavit shall work. Next, greetings sir. Today I received a mail for TCS Get to Fashion. Yeah, I already answered it. So if you have not uh, filled it, then I think you can wait for 1 or 2 days because this has been highlighted to TCS. Next, I received the link, but my link was not working. Then I filled the link submitted on the emails was asked whether they send the link again. That's okay. You have filled it use firstly. It's fine. That's okay. Uh, So ideally already there is a problem with the link because only HR streams are mentioned there. So a new link should come, and if it doesn't come, then also it's okay because you have got the link but it was not working. So you use some other link. And anyway, this kind of mails are sent into bulk. So not a unique link is going to everyone. I'm very sure it would be a common link. So I'm from finance. Okay, we have answered this. Next, so my permanent address and last 7 year long address is not saved. I tried my permanent address and last 7 year long address is not saved, but all the other options is say what should I do? You should see if there is a pop-up window which is coming up, or you should try filling it, log in immediately and log out so that the session is not expired. Maybe try from different browsers or try into incognito mode or try from different device. If not laptop, then phone. Maybe this can work. But these are basic troubleshooting issues which you can try and see which is working. That is the link, but still I'm facing the same issue. Yeah, so wait for it. I'm sure it will come again. So in the readiness again on its reports in mid of August, the provision period in September. They asked me not for mark sheets when can you join, and I selected option supplement. No, that's okay. Whatever details you have given, and but I think if you're see, there are two things: your result can come late and your provisional degree can come late, but you can join before also, isn't it? Right? So if you can join before and your mark sheet are or your result is coming late, but if you can join before, then tell them you can join before you're ready to join. Next, I received the readiness service not showing anything, not even opening. It happened with many students, and they have got a new mail, new survey link. I'm not from HR. I don't know it was not from HR. I filled something in. No, that's okay. I'm joining company as intern. There is no PF deducted from a stipend, and at 7K, thesis though, that's okay. Internship is fine. Internship is not employment, and you can do n number of internship, so it's okay. Sir, I'm not from HR. I answered it. I felt anxiously. Okay, most of you students felt it anxiously, and then nothing to be anxious about. And if you have felt, that's okay. But the problem has been highlighted to the TCS team, so I think they will send a justification or they will send a new link, and there is no problem at all because it was just a survey. Next, so I got a offer letter, and I have not got yet CBG because I don't have a professional degree of MBA or support the mark sheet allowed, but grade is not generated. Should I attach marks as a initiative? Yes, yes, you can very well initiate your in BGC without your professional degree. Just keep mention the CGPA because and submit it, and whenever it comes, anyway BGC will happen after some days, and they will connect with you for the professional degree offline, and you can send it to them there. Next, sir, my application is finance marketing. Will it make an issue? That's okay. You have filled it. I have already answered it in the starting. So please confirm will there be any problem or not if you haven't filled the survey form. See, the survey form was not correct, So basically, if something is not correct, we should hold on to it to get the clarification. And as of now, so many people have written to TCS to give the clarification, right? So wait for Monday, Tuesday. I think they will send the link again or the clarification, and you can fill it then if you have not filled it. Otherwise, no clarification comes by Monday, Tuesday. You can also fill it. That's okay. Nothing will happen. Next, sir, I made mistakes in the dates of readiness mail. What should I do, sir? Why you do mistakes? I don't understand. I know there were mistakes in application form, there were mistakes in background check form. Now there are mistakes in the survey link as readiness mail as well. Please, please, guys, don't do these things in hurry. How many times people will consider your mistakes? Please understand you are now professional. You have done a mistake. What can be done? It happened. Um, I hope it was not something, very big, but you fill the form again. That is what you can do max, right? If it is allowing you to fill again. But please, go take time, sit with, feel it with full concentration, and don't be in a rush to fill it, right? Nobody's taking your job, and no, please. Next. Okay, I already answered this, Anshika. So my when I asked so I can for the month of July will join, but I will join the commission for 7 posts. So no, it is always important that you join after your exams, because otherwise, what will happen? I tell you, you will join and then the training will start. And the train after training, your work will start, and then at that time only your exams will come and it will create a clash, right? So in the initial few months of the work are very important, and that time it will clash with your exams. So better you join after your uh, exams. At the time of interview, I showed my two mistakes. When they try, said I guess that they will back end. I think you asked this question earlier also. Mm, that's okay. I don't think so. Father's name is, as long as it is not a major mistake, it is fine. Hello, sir. While filling the admin mail, I filled TCS F number wrongly. Yeah, again a mistake. Later, I mailed this issue to TCS IN as well as I'll be working to the issue. Such things always, are not appreciated. You are doing mistakes. Please fill it with proper concentration, because you never know what one mistake can do a big loss to you. I'm not trying to scold you, but please understand, for everything you don't have solution. Fill the form again if it is allowing you with the correct details. But please be careful. At the time of submitting application to MBA hiring, I forgot or slipped from my mind. I don't disclose my experience detail 4 months as a representing on consent list. That will create problem at onboarding time. Uh, it depends if they have deducted your PF. If yes, it can be traced from backend, and then you have to justify why you have not filled it, why it got missed. At the same time, you should have experience certificate to show that you have not absconded the company. Next. Hello sir, if we can't be able to fill the survey form, will it affect our joining? No, you will get the joining, but survey forms gives them an idea that when you can join. So my MBA, so it is, if there are no any other reasons, then you should fill the survey form. But yeah, as of now, the situation is like it is, you know, not clear because only HR specializations are mentioned. So wait for 1 or 2 days, but do fill the form. So my MBA specialist in operation marketing is about that. That's okay because most of the students have done it. Next, so my university would issue the mark sheet by the mid of the hour. I would get the physical copy. Second, a degree certification would take almost a year to come. By then, I would see the version certificate. The last mark sheet in this case. Yes, yes, absolutely. If you get your result of your final sem, even the web copy you can share and they will onboard you because things are clear that you have passed it and your overall CGPA was 6 and above. And then whenever your provisional degree come, you can share with them. So it will not affect your joining and your joining should be given after your exams. So it is fine. If has a total examination point open, that's okay. You will get the mail again. And like some other people, you can if you can get it from some friend, then you can try that because you got the mail and it is not opening. So that is the issue. Okay. All right, so I think we have answered the queries. Majority of them were around the confusion that has been created by the specialization as HR. Some students were not able to open the link. They have got the revised link again. Still, if you have not got the revised link, then just see if you can take it from your friend and if it is allowing you to fill. But yeah, what we think is we should wait for the next week, Monday, Tuesday, to get the right link with the right specializations and without any confusion. So anyway, stay tuned. We will also be updating you as and when we hear from anyone in TCS. Okay. All right then. Thank you so much.